Vintage Sun 5-cent gumball machine, available this week at auction. All original, needs to be cleaned. You can see there's loss of the original paint on the finish, but that's it. Everything else is working. Just needs a good cleaning. You can see the original owner, H.E. Oswald, with part of an address, some other stickers. Included would be a sticker in better condition, working key and lock, bottom's in good shape. Again, the glass needs cleaning, but it's complete. This will dispense nuts, gumballs. Take a look at it working for a second here. I'll insert a nickel into the slide, which is locked unless you put a nickel in. Slides. That's 5 gumballs. And there they are. This will also use nuts. And take a look here. The inside of the machine a little bit. Not going to take it completely apart. Again, it does need to be cleaned. And let's try some Hershey Kisses. See if it'll dispense a few of them at a time. Again, with the larger slot. Okay. Insert a nickel. And it does give 2 Hershey Kisses. So again, if it were loaded, it would automatically fill the slot. And there they are. Machine, it's easy access to the money once you have the top off. Let's do the change. Lower it. And a working lock. The last machine, this is the last one I have. The prior one, its twin, sold for about $160 last week. So these are valuable and rare machines. Thanks for looking.